Hey guys, so quick summary. If you guys haven't been tuning in and watching our previous videos in regards to why we're getting an ice maker installed and why um, it's been delivered by Thor, we bought it with and it came without it. So it was missing a component and it was missing the cabinet and it was also missing a little panel on the passenger door, which has been since installed. So this weekend we're tackling it on, and we'll show you guys, how easy it is to do stuff on your own versus going to the dealership, because that's the last thing we want to do is send our rig into the dealership. We're just trying to avoid any downtime. Okay, Kevin's got everything lined up for this weekend's activities, guys. We're gonna get the faux cabinet door on and get our ice maker into the freezer. So everything's all lined out, just making sure we have all the parts necessary to complete this project, guys. We might have to go run to the store, to Home Depot, to get a few things because we had the cabinet, but it didn't come with any hardware. So we're gonna see what we can match up and find out from Home Depot and get started on this. So we've parked the rig halfway out, or basically all the way out onto our driveway out of the RV parking space. We opened up the slide out and Kevin's we're gonna have to pull this out, guys, to get the lines in. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. Fridge is out, and I came with some breakfast. So how was it? Was it easy? Taking the fridge out?
Really simple.
Let's see how it looks inside here. So this is where the fridge is housed. Funny thing, automatic ice maker line water hookup, guys. Just thought I should share that. So, and there's the water line that was already pre-fitted in here. So now I think the hard part is going to be trying to run these lines. So you found the access to the water line?
Yeah, it's right behind this vent.
Okay.
Or this faux vent.
Okay, so you just have to figure out how to get back there or unscrew the other vents, right?
Correct.
Okay. Alright, how's it looking?
Right there. It's already red, so
Oh, cool.
just gotta hook it up and test it out. Move everything back and test for leaks.
How could they have missed this? Here's the line from the fridge. Is to get inside the freezer to start installing the components. So the lines are ran in the back, so Kevin's pretty much done in the back of the fridge. He had to take that square out right there so we can start getting this unit in. Ready to go?
Yeah, buddy.
Does the lever go,
It's on. So down.
the lever is down? Okay.
So once it fills up, then it's
So down. Oh, you're turning on the water valve?
yeah.
Okay, so what happens now?
I don't know.
Does the water pump have to be on?
I think so. That's it.
So far no leaks. We're going to close her back up. Fridge is back in, and we just need to put recommended, right?
Oh, it isn't.
Okay. So we'll see you guys, I guess, in a few hours or maybe the next day to see if ice comes out. For the sake of time and expenses, we're just gonna double tape this faux cabinet door to the motorhome. I guess if we needed to remove it or something to access the water pump in that outside sink, we can easily just rip it off. Alright, finally our faux door cabinet thingy. Saying bye to all those water pump lines. Finally, outdoor kitchen is complete.
So. That looks good.
Since we've been fixing a lot of things this weekend, this drawer wasn't locking when it closed. So when we were driving, it kept sliding out. So look at that. That came undone. So
Yep, so
Kevin's just gonna
locked.
get that tight. He'll get that tight, and then the drawers can start locking. And this is what I mean about locking. It wasn't connecting to that. So we're gonna get that fixed, and we'll be ready to go next week, guys. Alright, let's see if there's any ice in here. Let's see what we've got. Ice! Awesome. So, this morning we checked and there was no ice. Kevin realized that behind that square, he forgot to plug it in. So he actually plugged it in this morning, and there's that much ice in there. It is, what time is it? It's around 1, almost 1 right now. So this morning he plugged it in. So it does make ice the same day. Yeah, I guess depending on the temperature, yes, it can make a little bit of ice the same day. But I get on here it says, let me see if I can get it. So it does say if you want a full bin, wait 72 hours and 24 hours to get this whole thing cool. So this is just a few hours. Not bad. Not bad at all. So that does it for this weekend's adventures. We will see you guys next week. And thanks for everyone that's been following in on our journey so far with our purchase. It's been about 3 months now, so if you've been staying tuned in, thanks so much for subscribing, guys. and we'll see you guys next week.